Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Instagram message request not showing problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all go to your profile and then tap on three line icon. Now scroll down and go to account type and tools option. Now go to messaging tools option and then here you can see manage controls. Just tap on this option. Here you can see two options, your followers on Instagram and others on Instagram. Change default to manage request for both option. After change default, now go back to home screen. Go to Play Store. Tap on search app and search for Instagram. Now update your Instagram in latest version. After completing update process, now find Instagram and then tap and hold on Instagram apps. Now open Instagram app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now go to storage option. Tap on clear cache. Press on back button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Now go back to home screen and press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, now go to Instagram and check your problem solved successfully. If still you are facing this problem, that means Instagram server is down right now. So wait few times, after few times it will be solved automatically.